hold. I should be clear. Four fuel well. Roger.
We're taking fire from roughly building 112, 113 on Broadway and Lima. Tell me the Roger, that's a rough guess right now. We're right outside the building, 33. We're outside the building.
Grab in here, grab in here. 20 minutes day, game starts. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ayun siya, sir. Negative. Ako yun. Ako yun. Nabandahan lang, nabandahan. Maghilan kayo, maghilan. Magpahil kayo. Sir, team, pakihil to.
Okay, konti push. 6 up.
May isa pa pala doon, buti inakit ko.
Si Sir ata yung sa video.
Ako yun, sir. Ako yun.
Sir, kaya din ba yung yung umakyat dito?
Oo, ako rin yun, sir. Dito, kaya nga sabi ko baka may umakyat dyan eh.
Gusto ko rin sana umakyat, kaya rin hindi ko alam paano gagawin.
Ano, sir, stuck tayo dito. Tapos hihiwalay ba?
Jed, pwede tumawid?
Banda.
Pwede na yung kitchen, sir.
Sa pool, umamin din.
Wala na tumawid.
Walang bumaba, walang bumaba. Sa atin na to. Ah, point ka. Okay. Left side ka, left side. Mas safe sa left. Mas safe sa left dyan pag pumasok ka ng left.
Sir, inspection yun ha, inspection yan, hindi yan termination. Inspection.
Diyan na, sa dulo. Dulo. Abang na. Susugurin ko. Ay lang. Sara niya ka na, sir. Tet.
Sorry, brother.
Hindi ka tinamaan?
Sorry.
Hit na hit.
Hindi tinamaan yan. Hoy, walang silent healing, sir.
Hit. Kaitan mo muna ako team bago mo hit. Hit.
Sa grenade shot ako tinamaan eh.
Grenade din ako. Halikan na ka. Hit na hit na.
Jan, move forward, Jan!
Pa-convert, sir.
Pa-convert sir. Ang pala yun tumama.
Grenade shot ako tinamaan, hindi sa rifle.
Itong kailangan dalawa.
Oh, sir. Sir, ano? Convert mo muna.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hil mo, Toy! Huwag niyo muna i-heal, huwag niyo muna i-heal. Kunin niyo muna para iban. Iban niyo lang, huwag niyo bilangan. Na pa dito.
Hit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit. Nasa
Lang,
stable.
sir, wait lang, sir. Tatawid ako.
Nasa stable, second stable. Second stable.
Wala, hindi ako tinamaan. Banded. Saan? Banded! Sumigaw na akong banded, tututukan pa. Banded!
Banded!
Ito, tangina, nandyan ata oh.
Hit!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heal!
12 o'clock, tao! Tsaka kaliwa! Kaliwa, kaliwa, tao! Kuha.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heal! Two, three, four, five, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here.
Let go. Hey, hey. Report live from the Ivy State Correctional Facility. Okay, y'all know why I'm here, huh? Yeah, country band, country band. Package in my right, got a knife in my other hand, huh? Country band, country band. They kick me out of Switzerland, they say I got a country band, huh? Country band, country band. Picasso came from France, my diamonds from the motherland. Yeah, country band, country band. And China came from China, got this rifle from a Russian. They say I can't go to Mexico no more. I got Texaco galore on the 4th floor store. The plug is 4 doors towards the north corridor. Send them through the house, keeping that your more for chores. If the police try to catch us in this 4 doors floor, in the floorboard of this 4-door core is a $250,000. He fronted us 2 marijuana trucks. If I don't pay him for these bushes, they gon' war for it, George. Huh? Yeah, moral of the story.